My name is Carrie and welcome to Sushi Chef, the company where high quality meets deliciousness. I use Sushi Chef Japanese products to make easy to prepare meals that you can make from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're making tahini and hummus. Tahini is a paste made from white sesame seeds that is a crucial ingredient when making hummus. Hummus is a rich, savory dip that is both healthy and delicious. Its melt-in-your-mouth consistency is sure to please. Follow us on our cooking adventures by subscribing to this channel and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Our social media is linked in the description box below. Now if you're ready for the video, let's get started. Here we have all of the ingredients we will be using for our first step, which is making the tahini. We have the Sushi Chef Sesame Seed, which will give us a deep, nutty flavor. Next, we have a small, wide saucepan, a wooden spoon, canola oil, a 1-cup measuring cup, and measuring spoons. Let's get started. First, we're going to toast our sesame seeds. Pour 3/4 of a cup of Sushi Chef sesame seeds into your measuring cup. Turn your heat on medium-low and stir the sesame seeds constantly with a wooden spoon. You should start to smell a slightly nutty fragrance coming from the seeds as they are toasting. Keep stirring so all the sesame seeds are toasted evenly. Make sure your seeds don't turn brown because that means they're burnt. We want to toast these seeds to bring out its bold, nutty flavor. If you have some sesame seeds left over, compare their taste to your toasted ones. You'll notice the toasted sesame seeds have a much deeper flavor and a slightly nutty fragrance. When the sesame seeds are thoroughly toasted, pour them into your food processor and let them cool completely. When the sesame seeds have cooled, turn on your food processor and process the sesame seeds for about 1 minute, or until a crumbly paste forms. Then, add 3 tablespoons of your neutral flavored oil and process the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to stop a few times to scrape down the sides and bottom of the food processor. This ensures all of your tahini is mixed in and processed. When the mixture becomes a smooth paste, your tahini is done. You can add more oil if the consistency is still too thick, and you can add a pinch of salt if you want an extra salty kick. I like this specific recipe because the tahini is creamy and light. Now on to the hummus. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's best to use lemons for your hummus instead of pre-made lemon juice for a really fresh flavor. We don't want any seeds in our juice, so we'll strain those out later. We're going to cut our lemons into quarters and then squeeze the juice into the measuring cup. Use either 1 large lemon or 2 medium lemons for your juice. You better have a strong grip for this part. Now, let's pour the lemon juice into a strainer. Straining this lemon juice really ensures that there aren't any seeds or pulp that get mixed into our hummus. Now we can pour it in. Now we're on to our final step, which is making the hummus. First, pour the tahini into your food processor and add the lemon juice. Then, process the mixture for 1 minute, scrape the sides and bottom of your food processor, and process for 30 more seconds. After this processing, your mixture will be creamier and will start to have that smooth texture we want for our hummus. Now let's mince 1 garlic clove. Cut the clove in half vertically and then start cutting small slices. Then, when you've cut those slices, cut them in half. This garlic will add a subtle, sharp kick of flavor to your hummus. Now, add the minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Now let's mix up the ingredients. Process the mixture for 30 seconds. Scrape the sides and bottom of your food processor and process for 30 more seconds. When the mixture is well blended, scrape the sides and bottom of your food processor once more. Now we can add the chickpeas. Rinse your chickpeas thoroughly under running water and drain them with a strainer. Then, add half of your chickpeas to the food processor and process the mixture for 1 minute. Scrape the sides and bottom of your food processor and then add the rest of the chickpeas. Process again for 1 to 2 minutes or until your hummus is thick and smooth. Now you've made some delicious hummus. Now let's serve up our hummus. Spread some hummus on a plate in your desired shape. I like spreading a lot out so I have an excuse to eat a lot of hummus. Then, spread on your desired toppings. I love using olive oil to give the hummus a subtle, deep flavor. It also emphasizes the beauty of Mediterranean culture. I also add paprika as a dash of bright color to liven up my dish. Lastly, I use parsley to add some dimension to my hummus and to provide a wonderful color contrast to my paprika. All right, let's try it. Wow. That is so good. Look at that piece, that looks so good. I can really taste all of the ingredients. I can taste the deepness of the chickpeas. I can taste a little bit of the tanginess of the cumin. All these flavors just complement each other beautifully. And the olive oil makes it so smooth. I just can't stop eating this. This is so good. I'm so glad it turned out well, and I'm gonna eat the rest of this now. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun making this delicious tahini and hummus with the Sushi Chef Sesame Seed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a Sushi Chef Foodie to see more cooking videos like this one. I'd also love to hear your suggestions for future videos. That's it for today. See you next time.